There's Coffee Co Lucky Day, strong and creamy coffee. Unboxing tayo. Ilan nga ba ang laman ng isang box ng Coffee Co Lucky Day? Ang Coffee Co Lucky Day nga pala ay yung dating Coffee Co 78 Creamy Latte. At ito na siya ngayon.
I thought you're not allowed for sugar.
Yeah, I'm not allowed for sugar. I'm just gonna promote this. So,
What does promote mean?
I'm gonna sell it online.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, you want to sell it online? Can you sell it?
Yeah, but this says Lucky Day.
Yeah, what's the Lucky Day? What is that?
Como.
Huh?
Compo.
What?
Compo.
Coffee Co.
Copy ko?
Yeah, it's a coffee.
What's a Tagalog?
Huh? So
Why-
we're gonna unbox it. So you're gonna
Can I
count yeah. You're gonna count how many bottles inside.
How many it's supposed to have?
Yeah, how many? You count it.
1. Wait, I'm gonna skip counting my one.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6.
Okay.
So
Why you
this-
here ba talaga? Why you
Because,
calling me? What you want? What you want?
because I'm scared. You said there's a ghost.
Oh, there's a ghost ba? There's a ghost. Yeah, may kumakaluskos. May kumakaluskos kasi nung kanina. Kanina magkasama kami rito. Anyway, let's go counting again. Go.
If I combine this,
Okay.
this is gonna be. I skip counting by 2, so it's 4, 8,
Okay.
8, 9, 10. No, 10.
12. Very good. Okay. So this is another.
Can you help me go up?
No.
How can I count perfectly?
Ayun there, you can. Oh, no, mahulog ka, Day. Oh, you can count na lang there. Oh, again, how many is this? Oh,
Now this
this is another 12 na rin agad. Oh,
12 plus 12.
okay. How many? Tagal.
Keep counting by 4.
Okay.
4, 8, wait, that's not skip. 6, 12, 18. Wait, what did I say again?
18.
Wait again.
Okay.
I'm confused eh.
Yung po yung confused. Go.
12 plus 6.
Huh? 12 plus 6? No. This is 12 na nga eh. So this is another 12. Oh, 12 plus 12.
Wait,
Come on, be fast. Dali.
ate!
Go.
A 12!
Oh,
This is 12 plus 6. It's gonna become...
you said it na kanina.
What?
You said 18 na kanina.
Yeah, 18.
Okay.
So that's correct?
Yes.
18.
And plus 6. Come on.
Plus 6, wait!
Oh,
I'm in 16. Wait, 18? What am I in?
plus 6.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24!
Wow! Galing ah. Galing mo, Daya. Very good ka. So okay. It's my turn na. Okay. So, this is Coffee Co Lucky Day. This is important. Important mga idol ah. So, ayan. May bigla pa tayo naging guest. So, this is made in, alam ko this is made in Indonesia. Yan. This is made in Indonesia. Akala ko dati ang Coffee Co Lucky Day is from Philippines. Kasi, yung pangalan niya, Coffee Co. Coffee Co. Pang Tagalog, pang Pinoy, Pilipino. Yung pala, made in pala to, Indonesia. So, in-import lang to dito. Kaya, alam nyo ba, may time na nagkahirapan ng supply nitong Lucky Day dito sa Pilipinas. So, kaya, alam nyo na, itong Lucky Day lang naman. Pero yung mga Coffee Co na powder, meron din naman yung mga yun. So, sinabi ng daughter ko, I'm on a diet. I'm not on the sugar. Di ba? Sinasabi niya, I'm not in sugar. Pero, ito kasi, nagbebenta tayo nito kasi may mga bumibili sa atin ng mga, sa tingin ko, karamihan ng mga bumibili sa atin nito, mga call center agents, no? Tsaka yung mga naka-work from home. Ito yung ginagamit nila. Ito yung iniinom nila. So, masarap na masarap kasi talaga to. yun lang, no? So, advice ko lang, pag iinom kayo nito, sa tingin ko, goods na yung once a day. Kung sa gabi nyo iniinom, once a day lang yan, okay lang yan. Huwag na kayo uminom ng dalawa pataas kasi medyo alalay lang sa health natin. Syempre, di ba, nagbibenta ako nito, pero syempre, nag-ano rin ako. Kung katulad ko, nagda-diet din ako. And once na dumating na kayo sa time na medyo nahihirapan na kayo sa health ninyo, gusto niyo na maging health conscious, nandito lang ako. So, don't forget to subscribe. And, so, syempre sa mga call center dyan, yung mga gusto umorder na itong Coffee Ko Lucky Day, nandito sa atin ang link, nasa baba ang link, makikita nyo yung product na to, i-check out nyo na. Ang maganda dyan, kapag dito yung in-order sa YouTube namin, ay magkakaroon kayo ng malaking discount. May discount na malaki. Dito, mapupunta sa inyo, may Lucky Day na kayo, masasarapan na kayo sa Lucky Day, magiging functional kayo sa trabaho ninyo. At all goods na all goods. So, ganito lang. Kung hindi kayo on a diet, tumitira kayo ng Lucky Day, kung umiinom kayo nito, please don't forget to exercise. Always do an exercise. Do a jogging, do a walking na mga 10,000 steps. Tapusin yung 10,000 steps na yan every day kung titira kayo nito. So, let's go for the longevity. Okay? So, that's it guys. I'm Bounce Out.